Hello guys, welcome to GeeksPort. Today we'll see how to hide any drive on your Windows machine using command prompt. So let's start. So first of all, open command prompt. Now type diskpart and hit enter. If this dialog box appears, select yes. Now type list volume and hit enter. This will display a list of all the drives in the machine. Now just select the volume you want to hide. I will hide the volume 4, letter H. New volume H. I will hide this one. So first of all, select that volume. Select volume 4 and hit enter. Now the volume is selected. So now just type remove letter H, which is the letter H of volume 4. Now hit enter. Now it is showing that the disk bar successfully removed. If you follow these steps like this, then the disk will hide. Let's find that it is hidden or not. Yes, here is no drive with the name H. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. In the next video, we'll see how to unhide the drive in Windows using command prompt. You will get the link of the next video in the description of this video.